welcome to Planta. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ida, and this is Åke.
Yeah, today we're going to show you some repotting, some tips and tricks, how to do it, and yeah.
We got some stuff that we usually use when we repot plants, and one is a new pot that always have drainage holes. Some fresh new soil suited for your plant, and you can read about what your plant needs in Planta if you need more information. We got some gloves, a scissor, and a plastic bag, and I will show you why I usually have a plastic bag when I repot some plants, because if you don't have a huge table that you can repot on, you can always repot on the floor, and then it's nice to have something to cover the floor and will make it easier to clean as well. So yeah, I'm gonna use the scissors.
Yeah.
Okay, can go. So this is just, I don't know where.
This is soil for this one.
Yeah, it is. And this is just a plastic bag, a huge plastic bag. And what I usually do is that I cut this part off, so you just get it flat.
So this is the bottom part.
Yeah, the bottom part. And I open it up. And then you just cut off one of the edges, because you will get like a huge plastic mat that you can clean.
Yeah.
And you can of course reuse this if you want as well. So yeah. So let's get on to it. I will cut these and we will get down to the floor and we'll start potting.
Yeah, good.